In this video, I'm going to show you how to add link on Instagram story. Whether you want to promote an affiliate program or you want to promote your YouTube page, adding a link to your Instagram story has become much easier. And I'm going to provide you with a quick steps on how to add link to your Instagram story. On your phone, navigate to your Instagram app and open it. On the top left corner, locate this plus icon and click it. Then you have to locate the image or the video that you want to add as your story and click it. In my case, I'm interested in directing audience to this YouTube video, so I'll promote to click on this icon here. Then among the list of items here, I'll proceed to click on the one with this link. On this page, I'll be asked to add my URL, so I'm gonna quickly copy it from my YouTube app. On my YouTube channel, I'll navigate to the video that I want to promote by locating it. So this is the video, so I'll quickly click on these three ellipses beside the video, then proceed to click on share and then copy the link here. I'll then navigate to my Instagram app, then proceed to paste the link here. I can as well customize the sticker text. In my case, I can even change it to YouTube if I want. Then I'll proceed to click on done. So this is the link to the YouTube video that I just copied on. So in case anyone sees this story and the person wants to locate the video, the person can just quickly tap on this link and the person will be directed to the YouTube video. So let me properly insert it here. Then I'll proceed to share it on my story. After that, I'll click on done. So this post is now available on my story. In case anyone sees this story and want to visit the video, you can just tap on this and proceed to tap on visit link. So the person will be redirected to my YouTube video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.